Just a quick run through on this video background remover. It seems to have got a lot of interest from everyone. It's part of the Canva Pro, and it should be something. The technology like this shouldn't be for free. However, if you click the link below, it will give you 45 free days on Canva Pro. If you are not already signed up for it, you can get you can have a big test run with the link that I've set for you down below. So I'm just going to go into the spotlight here and go into the video editor. They're quite quick and easy. Now they're made for reels and shorts, so if you're someone who does a lot of reels and shorts for YouTube or Instagram, these are perfect for you. We'll edit the video. I'm trying to run through it quick because everything is so quick and easy on Canva. It's what it's all about. It's just a one click, just exact same as if you are going to do photo background removing. It's all one click. You just go into your files and find your videos. Actually, I should already have something in here to use. Yeah, I just want something short. That will do. Now you've got your video here, you've clicked on, well it's all highlighted, you go up to edit video and that will give you a background remover, and it's just click on that and it will do the magic straight away. It's quite fast, and there it is. That was almost instant. It removed the background. So now you go in and you find something to replace your background. Another video, can be a photo, but that looks quite tacky. So you always keep the movement flowing when it comes to videos. I'll go in elements. I'll type in Maldives. Go down to the videos and go for a look and find what suits. Has to match up. That one won't work because I'm not walking forward or moving. I want one where I can just be stationary-ish. Okay, I'm just going to give this one a try. I'm not sure if this will work, but interesting. Now I need to set the top video as the background video. So set video as background, put your video on the front. I don't think I need to be so big. Now because this one was taken on a phone, you'll see the edge here. You'll always have your flat edge, so you'll have to put yourself up to an edge. I want to make the water a bit bluer, so you just enhance. You can still enhance everything just like it's a video. So edit video. So I'm just wanting to add that filter that makes that water that bit greenier blue. And that might do it. And then we can go on and preview our video. And that looks shoddy as shit, but you get the picture of you'll do yours a lot better. This was just an example, and I wasn't trying to do anything spectacular for a portfolio, but I'd have to resize myself. I've made myself too small, but I'm sure you all get the idea. It's that quick, one click. So have a good time. Click on the link below because it's put there for you people to get you 45 days free on Canva Pro to try all this out. But it's way worth it, even for someone like me that I pay, and it's way worth it. It's very affordable. So have fun.